In this guide, I'll show you how to enable or disable sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, and I'll also show you how you can schedule sleep mode to turn it on or off automatically. Let's begin. First, let's see how you can toggle on or off sleep mode from your watch. For that, just open the quick panel and you should see an icon with a bed on it. You simply need to tap on it and it should enable sleep mode. If it's your first time, then it may redirect you to your phone and you just need to tap on a few prompts. Now that your watch is on sleep mode, you will see the screen will go dim, it will turn off any touch inputs, and raise to wake. On the other hand, it will enable do not disturb mode. And if you have mode sync enabled, then you should see it turn on your phone automatically. Which means you can turn it on or off from both your devices. So let's turn off sleep mode and let's see how you can schedule it. For that, we can open settings, then go to modes, tap on sleep mode, and at the bottom you'll see turn on as scheduled. So let's toggle it on, and you should see a default schedule at the bottom. If you want to change it, select set on phone. This will open the sleep settings on your wearable app. Now just tap on turn on automatically, select sleep schedule. Now you can select your start time and end time by adjusting the sliders. It will also show you the total sleep time. And if you scroll a bit down, you'll also be able to select on which days you want to enable this schedule. Then there's other settings that you can toggle on or off, such as wake up alarm, alarm sound, vibration, and also snooze settings. You can tap on each of them to customize them further. When you're done, just tap on save and you have successfully created your sleep schedule. Now just finish it by tapping on done. And lastly, there's a couple more settings that you can turn on your watch during sleep mode. So we'll go back to our band settings, tap on Samsung Health, then sleep. And from this page, you can toggle on blood oxygen during sleep and snore detection. So that's how simply you can set up and use sleep mode on your Galaxy Fit 3. Don't forget to leave a like if this helped and subscribe for more.